Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to your personal computer for Steam gaming. First, plug in your DualShock 4 controller using a micro USB cable, or ensure it is fully charged for wireless use. Then, open the Steam application on your personal computer. If using Bluetooth, confirm your computer's Bluetooth is turned on and ready for pairing. This sets the stage for a seamless connection. Once Steam is open, move your cursor to the View menu located in the upper left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Big Picture Mode. Steam will then restart itself, transforming into a full-screen, immersive interface designed specifically for controller navigation. This special mode makes configuring your controller much easier and more intuitive. Inside Big Picture Mode, access the Settings menu, which often appears as a gear icon. Look for Controller Settings and click on it to open the configuration panel. Here, you must check the box next to PlayStation Configuration Support to enable full compatibility. Your DualShock 4 controller should now appear in the list of detected controllers, ready for further setup. With your controller detected, it is time to test its functionality thoroughly. Use the provided tools to ensure all buttons, triggers, and joysticks are responding correctly. You can create and save custom controller profiles for individual games, tailoring the experience to your preferences. Adjust settings like sensitivity and dead zones to achieve optimal control. This personalizes your gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.